All right. Well, first of all, I want to say, hope you all safe out there, and we all getting through this. We all together. Um, so I have these videos, but we still got to keep moving on, and have these to at least get you all started. And far as still things we still need have to learn. All right. Just because we're going through this in the world doesn't mean things stop. You still have your goals that you have, those that you've done your goal sheets. All right. And again, we still got things we need to do. So I know some of y'all really like feeling like, you know, well, I got to do this, but we do. And this probably the only time that you gonna probably have your hoodie on while you in class learning from me. All right, because you already know better. So don't get it twisted. All right, but this is what you need to be doing first for this week. I had this assignment. You look on here. Um, Go to student.desmos.com, and then that is the password right here. You're going to do that assignment first. Okay, you need to get that, just at least get you familiar with some stats, as far as with data, points and graphs and things like that. All right. So a couple slides on there. Once you get this, once you get to getting it, don't get discouraged. All right. Keep on going through the slides, and then you understand. So I will see who does that, and you will get a grade from that. All right. Um, all right. Let's see. Let's see. I'll show you how to do box and whisker plot. So to do the box and whisker plot, all right, we need to get the what we call the 5 number summary. All right, that's the minimum or the min. Uh, Work with me. The min, the max, the median, the Q1, and the Q3. All right. The min and the max, those are the two easiest. That's just the highest number and the lowest number. So your min will be 2. Your max would be 29. Your median, to get the median, you want to get the middle number from all of these. So how I do it is I mark off from the ends until I get to the middle. So it's 29, 4, 23, 5, 18, 7, 13, 7, 12. All right. Now, you see right here we have two middle numbers. Okay, when you have two middle numbers, you got to take the average of those two. So to get the average of those two, you're going to add those together and divide by 2. So you're going to take the 9 plus the 11, which is 20, and then divide that by 2. So that gives us 10. All right. So that means we have a median, which is 10. So I'm going to put that 10 right there because that counts. So our median is 10. Okay. Now to get our Q1, that means the lower quartile. Okay. To get the lower quartile, now we're going to mark off what is the middle number between the median, which is this number here, okay, and the minimum, okay. So let's going to mark off. So I'm going to count with that 10. So it's 10, 2, the 9, 4, 7, and the 5. So 7 is our Q1, our lower quartile. Okay, so I'm going to mark that. So 7 will be that Q1. To get the Q3, which we call the upper quartile, do the same thing. So we'll do the same thing with the 10 and the higher number, which is 29. So count off. So 10 to 29, 11, 23, 12, 18. So 13 is our Q3. Okay, so right there. So that's what we need. That's our 5 number summary. Okay. Yeah, we're going to take these 5 numbers. That's going to what we're going to use to graph the our box and whisker. Okay, so I'm going to start with a number line. Okay, so let's go by twos. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. It's 30. It's 2. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a line at each one of these numbers from the 5 number summary. Okay, so I'm going to make a big line at 2. So here's a 2, I'll make a big line. Okay, our max was 29, so estimate where that is. I'll put it right here so you know it's under 30. Make a big line. Okay, our median was at 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Here's 10 here, so I'll make a big line. Our Q1 is at 7, so it's 2, 4, 6, 7 is going to be in between there. Okay, and 13, 10, 12. So 13 is in between here. Okay. So you should have 5 lines. You have to have 5 lines, all right, in order to make your box and whisker. So now to make our box and whisker, I'm going to connect the tops and the bottom from my 3 middle, and then from the middle of that line, connect it out to here. That makes our whisker, okay? And you need to know what those different numbers represent, okay? All right. Oh, excuse me. I ain't got it. I'm cool. I'm good. So this line represents what your min is. This line represents what your max is. This right here is your median. And also, they also refer to the median as your Q2. Okay. All right. This line here represents your Q1, which is lower quartile. And this represents your Q3, which is the upper quartile. Okay. So that right there is a box and whisker. Okay. So you need to know how to do that. Is because they will ask you how to find the range. Okay. In the range, how you find the range, all you do is take your max and subtract the minimum. Okay. So if you remember, our max was 29 minus our minimum, which was 2. So that means that you have a range of 29 minus 2 will give you 27. So that will be your range. Okay. The other thing they would ask is what we call the interquartile range. Interquartile range. And you find that by doing Q3 minus Q1. So if you remember, our Q3 was 13. Take away Q1, which was 7, so that we get 6. Would be your interquartile range. Okay. All right. So hopefully you got that. Remember how to do the box and whisker. That 5 number summary is the very important part. All right. So hopefully that will help you all out a lot. Again, please be safe to get out there, and then again, uh, again, stay inside. Right. Can't keep everybody else safe. But you have a Delta math assignment that will be open for us Monday until the next Monday be closed. All right, so I'm giving you a week for that. Look for another video. I'm trying to put those on Schoology so you can see the videos. If anyone needs help, you can still email me or send me a message through Schoology. And if you want to set up one of those, I think it's called Zoom or something like that. Let me know. Again, whatever I can to help you out. So again, let's all stay safe, and I hope to see you all soon. And again, let's be safe. We're all in this together, and stay off them phones. All right, so you can pay attention. Okay, hopefully you learn something. Or at least you can rewind it if you forgot something. All right, got you.